A powerful coastal storm dumped heavy snow and strong winds across the Philadelphia region, prompting a blizzard warning through Monday and a snow emergency. Totals varied, with Philadelphia International Airport recording 13.7 inches and some suburbs up to 15 inches. The nor'easter left hundreds of thousands without power at its peak, though crews restored many outages later. New Jersey reported more than 200,000 outages at one point, with tens of thousands affected. Airports in transit faced disruption. Philadelphia Airport canceled hundreds of flights, and Amtrak canceled dozens of trains while reducing Northeast Regional, Acela, and Keystone service. SEPTA resumed service gradually as streets cleared, with some lines on a modified schedule. Other impacts included a boil water advisory in Camden after a water main break, and closures at several Philadelphia museums. Coastal flooding in Atlantic City underperformed, and officials warned travel bans remained in effect as crews assess power and roads.